of rain showers after midnight. Lows in the upper
Hey,
30s.
we watch. We had too much
Chance of
fireworks
precipitation
this week.
50%.
They already
Wednesday, partly sunny with a 50% chance of rain showers. Highs in the mid-60s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain showers. Lows in the upper 30s. Thursday and Thursday night, mostly clear. Highs in the upper 60s. Lows in the upper 30s. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. At 4 p.m. at Garden City, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 84 degrees, and the dew point was 14, making the relative humidity 7%. The wind was south at 30 miles per hour, gusting to 39. The barometric pressure was 29.75 inches and falling. At Liberal, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 84 degrees, and the dew point was 25, making the relative humidity 11%. The wind was south at 20 miles per hour, gusting to 38. The barometric pressure was 29.78 inches and falling. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 81 at Elkhart, 84 at Guyman, 82 at Dodge City, 84 at Dalhart, and 81 at Amarillo. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 82 at Lamar, 76 at Clayton, and 80 at Goodland.
If it doesn't show that, I don't know what's wrong.
Conditions were not available.
Oh, yeah, there is.
For the following
Yeah,
counties, Finney, Grant, Haskell, Seward, and Stevens. High wind watch remains in effect from Saturday afternoon through Saturday evening. West, southwest winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Where, portions of southwest and west central Kansas. When, from Saturday afternoon through Saturday evening. Impacts, damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates. You're listening to NOAA, All Hazards Radio Station WXN 81 in Ulysses, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.450 MHz.
Thank you. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And I'll see you in the next video.